busy trading this with the hedge fund managers. And you see that volume right there, 2,000 of those contracts are my execution command. Well, DeWiki, this isn't anything new to you though, is it? That's right. So, well, that's what people do in 300 pops, 100, 500 contracts. That doesn't take that much. All right, here we are. Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. As we started out, the call went up to $12. It's now back down here where we're going to get ready to buy this side of the market. And we did the 570 put. As a market maker, long the call market maker, short the put, 570 put, 560 long with the 570 put. Okay, so what am I doing as a market maker? I'm making a market on the other side of my trade. And SMF Pro traders learn how to make markets. And they don't reminisce. Do they? No. What they do is they got, once you make that market, you got to come over here. These closed at, the high was 680. They took $4 out. And this is where you start buying the other side of this move, of the 560 call. They took and stole $4.80 premium, 570 put in the money. And as it was coming up and putting its highs in here, and I was doing all my fancy little charts, this is what I got. Now, when I get ready to reverse, and Google has a 3-minute sell signal, as everybody else thought it wouldn't do, but guess what? I created a market on the other side of my other market. And I got the long side and I got the short side by understanding the top of that reversal. And as it's been coming down on the 3-minute chart because it got too overbought during this element of time, it warranted a short. And now the 570 put is slightly in the money for this options expiration. And now I'm going to get ready to buy the call that was up here at $12, just as I showing yesterday and every day about buying wholesale here, taking a profit, and we're going to start taking profits out of here now. And basically everything is designed about that the 560 call for expiration went straight up. And as we come up, all right, so Ray, buy one contract, bid it out there at $8.50, because he upticked the bar right here, and this is the time to start dumping these. Okay? And the high is that this side of the trade during an options expiration is that you come out of these gradually in increments of 10, and we'll see how the rest of it plays out. And the 560 call, you bid it at 8.5 because you already came down and put your bottom in. So that's the put option. That's trading the other side as a market maker, because that's what you are, right? As a market maker, you're making a market, both markets, aren't you? So look at the big here. Let's take out the trend line, Jeremy DeWiki. Say my name is DeWiki. Double top to the left side of the market, back to the breakout of half of the bar. This is where that breakout took place to that top. That another young trader that's brand new here said, "Oh boy, it looks like it's supposed to go higher." And the minute that he said that, what did I say I was doing? Didn't I tell the kid that? The minute that he talked about it going higher, what did I say I had to do? I had to short his thinking, didn't I? Yes, we got in. Here, I gave him an order at 8.5 on a contract, another order at 770 on one. The call contract's $12. Nobody sold them. This is an options expiration. And guess what? You've got a 3-minute sell signal. Guess what? your indicators peaked over bought on the MACD and the percent DS, and you started going that way, and you needed to be a seller on the highs. And guess what? No one did sell it. Except who? You. And that's where the punishment comes in. And the punishment comes in that, hey, I'm not reading, I'm not using, I have my system. You have to have a system. And the thing about it is, it's all intraday only, people that are watching the live trading. And basically, I get to buy this $3 off the high. And I get to get my enchiladas. Because once again, as an intraday market maker, operator, trading pennies and dollars, I'm constantly readjusting my entries and exits, whether it's one side of the market or the other side of the market. And then I'm constantly and madly working with my mathematical system that's not being seen on the tape. We don't show that to the public. And basically, you've been given a gift on a 369 consolidation on low volume. To help Peter out. Peter? When we sold the first pass, we had an uptick here, and we had a 20-minute rising period moving average, and we had the 10-minute, and we had a nice big separation right there. And the minute that we started to constrict right here, what the down part said, that part of the move right here was over. Now, going down the hill, Peter, we have separated, and we have crossed over that direction, Peter. Now it will be time to buy half of that breakout bar right there's the test, called the SMF Pro Trader breakout to the double top. And things work one way, and things work another way. And the SMF Pro Trader way is the way.